Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to 3 different Disney parks.
Yeah.
We're going to be park hopping and having a great time, and we're going to take you along for the ride.
Yeah, right now we're in Ohio, but this is just a decoy. We're actually in Florida.
It feels so good. Yeah.
It feels good. I mean, my
Jump in it.
Huh?
Jump in there.
No, that's called you get kicked out.
So, you know that.
I do.
We went on a huge adventure together.
Is orange with white stripes and looks like you on the phone? Games. I love games.
That's jellyfish.
You're good. And I'm thinking
Jellyfish. And the next one, jellyfish.
hey, scared jaws. Can't catch me.
Swim away. Watch out. Ah!
Look, I'm scared now.
So here's our lunch. This pizza is literally huge. There's 2 pieces like that. And then I got the chicken tenders and fries and a little apple juice. So we're gonna enjoy it now. It's not that bad.
Not bad.
I don't know
what
it tastes. Oh no, the aftertaste is really good.
Oh god.
Done with that.
Here, I'll try it.
This is, oh, that smells like cucumbers.
Cucumber Sprite?
I like that. You try some?
Yeah, here.
Oh no, you're right. Children's milkshakes, so that's nasty. I like that one. I could sit there and drink that all day. It's pretty good.
Really?
It's refreshing.
I hate all of them.
No, you don't need to know. I was just leaving. I'd like to invite you morsels to a little party over here.
What'd you bring for us, mate?
We're starving. Got a tasty boy. Right then, our meeting has officially come to order. Let us all say the pledge. Fish are free. Fish are free. Fish are free. This is not food. Sharpie, you're one of us now, and we can't send you off to your death. Darla's coming in 5 days, but you'll be long gone by then. We all will, if we do this the way we do everything else. Together, we swim together. You have traveled far. You must be swimming under a lucky star.
Simone the sauna.
From our Disney trip now, and we had so much fun, and we got to go to 3 parks in one day.
Yeah, which was crazy.
Which
I don't think
is
we've done
unheard
that
of.
in a while.
Yeah, and we actually got a lot done. We were able to get in the fast pass lane for most of it, and we zoomed right on through things, and we were able to ride quite a few things. Most importantly, the Remy's ride that we've been waiting to ride.
I was kind of underwhelmed for that, to be honest.
I liked it a lot.
I mean, I liked it, but I feel like I maybe just had a really high expectation of what
Yeah,
it was.
that's true.
And then when we did it, I was like, oh.
Yeah.
It's good, but
Yeah.
it wasn't the greatest.
It's quick, because when you think about it,
Yeah.
like, most people wait like an hour to 2 hours for something for like a 2 or 3 minute ride. I mean, luckily, like I said, we were in the fast pass lane for it, so we didn't have to wait as long, but it was awesome.
Cool. Like
it was really
really
cool.
Awesome.
I think that it's a little on the underwhelming side in the sense of it's mostly screens.
Yeah.
Like, if they would have
That's
had
maybe
more
what it
like
was.
actual
Interactive.
sets and stuff, like that would have been.
I don't know, because I feel differently about Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway. We did previous videos. Then I did this, and it's the same kind of ride, but I felt like I liked that a lot more.
I feel
There
like they
has to
have
be-
more physical sets in that one.
There has to be someone out there that feels the same way. I feel
That
like I'm gonna
one's
get
not
judged real
completely
hard.
all screens.
Like, someone's gonna be like, I love Remy's, and that's great, love it. Like, if it's your favorite movie, fantastic for you. But I just didn't think it was like 10 out of 10.
And then we also rode Rise of the Resistance for the first time. That was a really good ride as well, but I did not like the simulated part because it made me feel sick.
Oh, I was fine.
Like, when, like, right after the drop and then they have you, like, going like this with the screen, I don't do well
love
with that.
I thought that was really cool. Like, all the stuff leading up to the Rise of the Resistance ride, like how they, like, force you back and make you feel like you're a prisoner of their ship.
That made me anxious. I was like, please, like, don't kill me. Like, I thought they were, like, coming after me for real.
Yeah, they're gonna kill you at Disney.
I know, but, like, they make you feel like that. They make you feel like you are a prisoner. And then Fantasmic was fantastic. It was really cool.
It was.
I
haven't
feel
seen
like
that in
I've
years.
seen that when I was little, but
Yeah.
they've like upgraded it tremendously since I've seen it.
20 years for me, probably at
Yeah.
least, since I've seen that.
Yeah, it was really cute, and Mickey was awesome. He was the superstar of the show.
I feel like when I was younger, like, they didn't have, of course, the movies they have today, like Frozen and Moana.
Right, that's true too.
So, like, that was so cool to see the recent ones that I still liked, like, in the show.
Yeah.
And I'm now thinking back to when I would have seen it almost 20 years ago. What did we watch? Like, what, like, Lion King?
Lion King
Nemo,
was in there, Pocahontas,
Yeah,
Toy Story.
Tarzan. I guess there was a
Yeah.
lot. But it just seems like there's even more now.
Well, there is.
Well, yeah.
Yeah.
Time goes on. More things happen.
Yeah.
But it was really good.
Mm-hmm.
But all in all, it was fun. All the parks, getting to experience it and go with our friends and enjoy the day. It was a great time. Well, thanks for watching today's video.
See you guys next time. Bye.